Do you want your kids to learn Igbo language? Asụsụ Igbo. Ị chọrọ ka nwa gị ma ọ bụ ụmụ gị mụta asụsụ Igbo? The Igbo educational materials that I make is the best for them to start, especially for parents that really don't have time, to be teaching their children one-on-one on how to speak this beautiful language. All you need to do is to come to my inbox. Let's talk about how to get you the best materials for them. These materials consist of flashcards, almanacs, videos. Before my website is ready, I just want you to have a glimpse of what we have in store for you. An ebook that contains everything you need for an introduction to the Igbo language. It is very simple, written in the most basic Igbo. Okay, Igbo ejiwede Igbo kano, they're very basic. You don't have to think too much about anything. All you need to do is to place your order and buy. But the website is, just about 98% ready. So, offer berry the website and be ready. Okay, so before our website is ready, you can simply place your order. Flashcards take about 2 days to produce, and trust me to give you the best materials. I have reviews from my customers that have bought in the past and actually referred me to friends, families that need these materials. Okay, these flashcards will help you. They are interactive, they are colorful, suitable for children. The materials are really, really strong. Okay, so just place your order and have them delivered to your doorstep. But just know that these materials are suitable for you. You can learn the Igbo language by yourself by using these materials, because you can actually start from the basics. Okay, so thank you so much.